Hey guys, it's Wolf here back with another video. So welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to do KuCoin review. Okay, so I've been using this cool exchange for at least over a year now, at least. Okay, so I've been using this exchange a lot. It's a very good exchange. One of my top 3 exchanges. So Binance, KuCoin, and Bitrue are definitely my favorites. But quickly before we start this video, I want to show you my new favorite exchange. So this is exchange called Nominex. Okay, I started using this a couple of days ago, and they have their own DeFi. So it's a centralized exchange. You can buy cryptocurrencies here just like in KuCoin. They have a lot of many pairings here. It's a cryptocurrency exchange also. But what's interesting here is that you can start staking NMX token and earn like 3,000 API. Currently, I started staking yesterday, and I have already made $3.47. It's pretty insane that the API is that's high. I slapped $250 here. I'm having a let's show this. That's pretty chaotic, by the way. This is like my new like where I put my ideas. So for example, I quickly want to show you this guy because I think it's pretty like it looks pretty chaotic. So here are some of the ideas that I'm creating for KuCoin tutorial. KuCoin review pros and cons. So this is some title that I worked with, but I think that I'm making new title for it. Then I have the random articles here and random stuff, and then I'm trying to constantly trying to find a new ways to like a new trending stuff, because trending stuff does really well, and I like start talking about the new stuff. Okay, I'm really active person, so I'm looking on the new stuff. So that, for example, this is a new stuff for me, and I was already sucked in here, so I started staking it, and I have earning pretty good gains here. So what I had to show you is this one. I'm keeping track of this one, so I started staking. I think that, so yeah, I have this out. So yeah, I was like, there's something weird about this. So I have to slap this in here, and then I have the, let me do this quickly here. Sorry, the review starts really soon, but I just have to do this one, and boom, and then boom, and then boom. Okay, so now, so I started this. So this is really weird. What is happening here? So I started this. Yeah, I started this yesterday, and I started it with $2,250, and that in that day it already made this much money for me, and now it's 10th day, and then now it's made this much. Yeah, so this is how it's worked. Yeah, it's insane. I make one, like, as soon as I started staking it, the coin rise up in price, and I made like yesterday already like almost $2 with it. Okay, just because the API is so huge. Okay, but anyway, if you want to, whole point of this, so it has already been way too much. So the whole point of this is that if you want to start staking and learning this stuff, of course it's just the risk is huge, but the reward is also crazy huge. So that's why I slapped only $250 here. It's just something that I wanted to learn to do this, and if you want to learn to do this, you can find the first link in description. There's email list. You can sign up and you will have your access right there. Okay, so anyway, let's start this tutorial right now. KuCoin. The only thing that you really need to know about this exchange are these. This exchange has a lot of crypto gems. So a lot of coins that are not yet listed on Binance first end up here on KuCoin. Okay, so they have a pretty good list of coins here, right? And the second thing is that you can buy cryptocurrencies here, and you can trade cryptocurrencies here, and you can stake also cryptocurrencies here. So you can do everything that you can do on other exchanges. But I think that the selling point for KuCoin is that it has really good cryptocurrency gems, like really good. And the platform works. It has mobile application also. The app is very good. That's what I mainly used, but the desktop exchange is also very good. This exchange is very solid, guys. Okay, and when you go to your assets and main account, I want to show you quickly here. So here's things that people really don't understand about KuCoin. So you have different wallets. So when you go to asset over here, you can see all of your assets currently on KuCoin. But when you go to main account, this is the account if you have your cryptocurrencies in. So over here is just overview. Here is your main account. If your assets are on this wallet, you can withdraw them, withdraw the cryptocurrencies. Okay, you can withdraw them, but you can't trade. Okay, so this is like holding wallet main account. And if you want to trade the cryptocurrencies, you have to have the currency on your trading wallet. Okay, so that's what you have to have. And like you can see, as we went here, you can now trade. And how to transfer between these two wallets? All you have to go here where it says transfer. You just click that, and you can see it from trading to main, and then you just select how much you want to trade, and then just confirm, and then it will instantly go. It doesn't cost anything, and now you can see the KuCoin shares here. Okay, but for example, now I'm holding this KuCoin shares token. If I want to sell this, if I want to trade this, now I can withdraw it because it's on my main account. Okay, but if I want to sell this or trade, I'll go to transfer from main account to trading, and then just transfer it. Okay, so that's how KuCoin works. Now, as you have your now you know how your wallet works. I quickly show you how to get cryptocurrencies on your wallet, because if you want to trade cryptocurrencies, you have to have some funds. To add funds, you can either come here and deposit, and click the cryptocurrencies that you want to deposit. Let's say that you want to deposit let's say that like something like fit. Okay, just random there, and here's your own bed address, and then you just deposit, or let's say something normal like Bitcoin. Okay, you want to, here's your Bitcoin address, and then you just withdraw your funds from other cryptocurrency exchange to your KuCoin wallet. Okay, and then the Bitcoin will show up in your main account, and if you want to trade it, you have to transfer it to your trading account. Okay, and that's one way. Now the second way is to buy. So you can come here and click credit and debit card, and straight up buy cryptocurrencies with your either this is the third party, or just straight up with Visa or MasterCard. I have used Visa, and then I have used Simplex. Okay, then you just select here what you want to buy, and then you just buy it. Okay, it's very, very simple. And then again, the cryptocurrency will instantly show up here in your main wallet, and if you want to trade it, you have to transfer it to your trading wallet. Okay, so now let's imagine that you have your Bitcoin on your trading wallet. Now how to trade on KuCoin? You go to trade, spot and margin. Sorry, not spot and margin, but spot trading. Then you here come here, then you give your trading password. Let's see if I remember. Yeah, I remember. So anyway, you give that, you said that, and then you come here. It looks pretty chaotic, but I will explain what's happening here. So here are your pairings. Let's say that you own Bitcoin. You come here, and here are all the Bitcoin pairs. Now these are the currencies that you can buy with Bitcoin. Here are the KuCoin shares pairings. Okay, and here are alt pairings. Okay, and here are DeFi stuff, and that's that. Okay, so let's say that you have some Bitcoin and you want to sell your Bitcoin for VeChain. Let's click that. Okay, so now we are selling the you can see here VED/Bitcoin. So now you can either buy VeChain with Bitcoin, or you can sell your Bitcoin for VeChain. Okay, so we have now some Bitcoin, and let's sell that Bitcoin for VeChain. Okay, so you go to market, so it will automatically match you with the best pricing, and then you just here where it says buy with, you can select how much you want to buy. Let's say that you want to buy with all of your Bitcoin. Then just click here, and then just click buy. Okay, and then the trade will execute, and then the VeChain tokens will show up in your wallet. Now let's say that you want to sell that VeChain token for Bitcoin. You can sell, let's say that you want to sell that VeChain for USDT. You come here, and again go to market, and here where it says sell, now you are selling with. Okay, you just select how much you want to sell, and then click sell with, and then it will sell the WET tokens for USDT, and then the USDT will show up in your wallet. So that's how you do it. It's not that hard. Okay, so that's how you trade on KuCoin, and that's how you use KuCoin. I'm quickly also going to show you all the most important thing that you have to remember is that if your funds are in your main wallet, main account, you can withdraw them, but you can't trade. But if the cryptocurrencies are a trading account, you can't withdraw the cryptocurrency, but you can trade it. Okay. And then you have also other options here. I have never used these. I have just used spot. I have never used these. I have never used these. I have used Pool X. Then I have used soft staking, KuCoin bonus, referral. I have never used crypto lending. So, but these are very good. It's very easy. All you have to do, for example, if you want to that, you are staking plus pool tokens. Okay, and then for example, soft staking, you can just stake easily your cryptocurrencies with one click, and that's it. Okay, if you want to start earning passive income. Okay. But I think I make more videos about this, but you can just come here and see what's happening here. Okay, it's very easy to use. But anyway, I think that's going to end up this KuCoin review. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for supporting the video. You can sign up on KuCoin, link in description. And if you want to see more videos, just subscribe for more videos, more daily videos. And yeah, guys, thank you so much for supporting the channel, and see you in the next videos. Okay.